Hindi ko talaga itong planong puntahan. Pero minsan, ang sarap. Ikaw ang hinahanap. From the moment I smelled the charcoal smoke, I knew this was different. Alas 9 pala ng umaga, pero tingnan mo to. Siniglaw na may marka ng apoy. Bulalo na umaapaw ang singaw. Sabaw na parang yakap. And every bite tells a story. If this is just breakfast, what more at lunchtime? Ito yung plano kong puntahan. A karinderya recommended by a friend. But sometimes, plans do not immediately cooperate with us. Kasi wala akong masakyan, puno ang mga jeep. Kaya naglakad ako. Naglakad ng maglakad hanggang nakita ko to. Kasi naalala ko na parang may kainan dito eh. Kaya lang sarado pa sila. Pero bawal daw mag-vlog. So I returned to my original destination. And there, across the street, before I crossed, I was greeted by smoke, by steam, by the scent of charcoal carrying a promise of flavor. Parang tinatawag ka.
Alec Uritan Food House o Alec Uritan Eatery. Wow! Look at their bone marrow. Ako kayo lang bone marrow ba? And spicy na daan ilahang bone ilang broth. Marami nagsili yung broth nila. Malaki oh. Look at this, man. Di na kailangan ng chili pepper pala to kasi manghang na yung yung broth. Oh my goodness. So good. Wala silang natin ng lagyan natin itong sauce ng sinugulaw. A little bit.
Ito yung vlog boss.
Hungry dabawin niyo. Hungry. Yung sinuglaw nila very different from other sinuglaw kasi may seaweeds, guso. Look at their tuna, man. So lovely texture, so beautiful looking sinuglaw, very different, very unique. We're gonna taste along with the seaweeds and cucumber, man, along with the sinugbang baboy. Yeah. Sarap. Lumiyoy. Oh yeah. Look at the inside of this bone marrow. Look at that, man. Let's close it up, baby. Sigurado hindi ko ito maubos kasi ang dami, oh. This costs 200 pesos. I think this is good for 2 to 3 persons. But there's a hierarchy of all the top karinderya in Davao. To me, in my opinion, as far as I'm concerned, this is number one, man. If you are talking about sinuglaw and bulalo and balbakwa, Di pa ka-awkward pag nag-iisa ako kasi for the very first time of my life during the past week or in the past few weeks, ang daming mga tao na nakakilala na sa akin. And so awkward for me kasi hindi ako sanay na may nakakilala sa akin dahil dito sa vlog na to. So, I'm really not used to it. I didn't realize na kilala na pala itong vlog na to. Itong channel or itong Facebook page na to na Hungry Dabawenyo. When I'm inside the bank, I'm in the city streets, I'm in a grocery store, in a Save More, SM, a Breeza Mall. Meron talagang a-approach sa akin At hungry dabawin nyo, hungry dabawin nyo. Meron pa nagpapapicture. Totoo yung kasabihan na be careful what you wish for. Oh yeah, let's get the bone marrow over here. Ito na sabaw. Oh yeah.
In this simple carinderia in Huna subdivision, there are no grand lights, no decorations pretending to be more. Cars lined along the roadside. People simply looking for something good and worth it. And sometimes that's where you find what's real. If I didn't struggle to find a ride, if the first place wasn't closed, I wouldn't have ended up here. Minsan ang mga hindi natutuloy na mga lakad, sila pa nagdadala sa atin sa isang tamang lamesa. My stomach is full, my mind is at peace, and my heart content. This is Hungry Dabawenyo, and I will keep walking, and I will always be hungry, hungry for more. Until the next story filled with smoke, steam, and flavor, I'll be back.